Hey everybody, how's it going? So today got a quick video on another Guess What's in the Box video. This is a decently sized, large box from Amazon. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. This is just going to be a quick guess what's in the box video. So this box is 15 inches wide by a little bit shy of 20 inches long. And it is 10.5 inches deep. So this is a tool. Should be a brake tool. That's the closest guess I can give it to you guys for. Is you know, it's a type of brake tool. It's for automotive brake tool brakes. It's one of those days. The elevator didn't go all the way up. Sorry guys. So the best hint I can give you is it's an automotive brake tool. What kind of tool it is, I will leave that up to you guys to leave your guesses and comments down below. It is a pretty large box. I'm sure that the tool is not as big as the box. It's just a quick guess what's in the box video. Ain't nothing fancy other than, you know, just short little video for fun. I do appreciate you guys watching. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I do appreciate you guys, as always, stopping by and checking out the video. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace!